Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, southeastern Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota, northeastern Union County in southeastern South Dakota, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hayward, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hudson around 6:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county, Sioux, Iowa, and the following counties, in South Dakota, Lincoln and Union.